Kumbaya! Kumbaya, my lord, kumbaya. Kumbaya, my lord, kumbaya. What's the next?
Someone's crying.
I don't know the rest. Surprise? He's being hit by a hammer that a ghost is hitting him. And I don't think I should sit here with somebody like that. Look, you've got someone shooting you and hitting you. Amazing. He's still not dead. Let's screwdriver him into his ear. That doesn't work either. Frankenstein in his neck. What do you suggest? Dr. B, what do you suggest? Flying teddy bears. Can you just take your mask off, please? Because everybody knows what you look like, and they really don't care for who you really are. So just show your face, dude. Show your face. Or are you scared? I'm not scared. He's... You scared! Okay, that's the end of that one. Thanks for watching!